Hi Alex, it's Laurie from Dizio again. I'm just going to run through a quick demo of how to add the tweet data. So you can see here in my collaboration, this is what we call these white cards of collaboration. In the collaboration you've got the tweets listed out, so this has got the public data on it now, which we can retrieve from the API automatically. So then if I go to this add data button, so it says upload supporting files, manually add the insights data. So you click there, and then it loads up this screen which shows you the tweet that you're working on, and then we hit upload file, and I happen to know that it's this file. I've collected this off Ben Doyle, where he emailed it to me. So then it uploads the file. The internet's a bit patchy here today. I'm just going to cancel and try again. Second time lucky, there we go. And then I'll just, because we've had to kind of collect the data manually using emails and screenshots, then I'll just type these numbers in here. Type in the engagements as well. And then basically the report software kind of pulls all this data together and presents it in a really easy fashion. So it wraps up all the screenshots and wraps up all the data into a tabular format. So I'll hit save. You have a little message saying it's saved okay, and then close. And then you can have a look at the files here. So that's the screenshot pertaining to the "Did you catch my video from yesterday?" tweet. Got a double bubble there. That must have been from when the upload kind of failed before. So there we have that tweet, and we have this one. And I'm just waiting on the story data, but it works in much the same way. Okay, cheers. I'll speak to you later. Bye.